What is it about birds that interests you so much?
Well, I think it's like anything, but especially with living things like birds. Birds are so easy to observe, they're interesting to watch, they do interesting things. And once you start to get to know them, you start to care about them. And it's kind of the first step in caring about the world. You know, you suddenly realize there's, you know, everybody kind of knows that we're sharing this planet with other species. But once you get to know them intimately or personally, it makes a huge difference in your attitude.
I can hear the birds sing. I can hear the birds sing. Flowers sing, sing. Flowers sing. Flowers sing, sing. Flowers sing. Flowers sing, sing. Flowers sing. Flowers sing, sing. Flowers.
What you may not know is that experts actually key into 4 characteristics to identify birds.
Those 4 keys to identification are size and shape, overall color pattern, behavior, and habitat.
And with some practice of these 4 keys, we promise you'll become a better bird.